Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. We were looking at file handling. Until now we have seen how we can read and write in a file. Now in this video we are going to see how we can append in a file. Now the write mode either overwrites the existing file or creates a new file if the file is non-existent. That makes the programmer to use write mode wisely. To solve this concern, we can use the file in an append mode. Append mode opens a file and sets the file pointer to point at the end of the file so that any write operation may start from the very end of the file. Now this preventing overwriting. So let us demonstrate a program to append data in an existing file using file handling in Python. So in order to do the append mode, what I'm going to do is to make use of a simple file, which is file 1, and you know that I have written 5 into it, right? This was the previous example. So the file 1 is there and on my desktop, and it has only one data written into it, that is this 5, right? Now, so what I'm going to do over here is I will be just reading the content of this file first, right? So there will be a simple print statement that will say before appending, right? Before appending, what I'm going to do is take a variable and return the read content to that variable, and it's very simple. I'm going to print the text, right? So that is, we have just verified this, yes, that file 1 has a content which is 5 written over it before appending. So it's working very fine as well over here. Now the next thing what I'm going to do is to just copy this content and place it and open it again in append mode. And next thing which I'm going to use for the first time over here is the tell function, which is going to tell you the the place where the current pointer is there, actually the file pointer resides, right? So I want to talk about this file and I am going to use this tell function over here. Now what this function does is it tells where is the file pointer residing right now. So what I'm going to do now, I will be actually writing something into the file. So I will be doing FP and I will be using this write function, and here I am saying I am the new content appended at the end, right? So this is the string that I'm going to print, and there will be a print statement which says, let's say, append successful. And after that, I'm going to verify this content, right? So just copy and paste it again like this. And in place of before, here I will be writing after appending, right? So let me just clear it and now run the code, right? So what we did is we just seen the file content before appending, the placing of the file pointer, read write pointer, and then we have appended certain content and a print message that is going to show that the append is successful. And after that we have just again cross verify the content of the file after appending, right? So let me just run the code, and here you can see this 5 is now going to stand for the written content, which was 5 I have written already. Now the file pointer is at actually 1, that is, it has actually been at the 1 position, and after appending you can see that here is the content after 5. Now in order to make it a little bit easy to understand, let me give a /n over here and go back to file 1, and over here let me just delete this appended content, and 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? So here I have actually written 10 words in it, right? Why? Because I want to make sure the clear visibility of the tell function. And now if I'm going to save it and then cross it and rerun my code, and let me just clear it so that it should be clearly understood. So if I now run the code, so before appending, you can see that the content was this bigger number, and these were 10 numbers, right? So it was starting from 0 to 9, and now the pointer is at the 10th position, and we appended and printed the append successful, and then we cross check that the data is been appended, because I have put in a slash n over here, so I am the new content is added in the next line after this. We can again verify this by opening our file, and you can see that this is the content. So here in this particular example, we have seen how we can actually make use of append mode in place of write mode if we want to retain the previous content of our file. Now I hope that you understood the difference between R, W and append mode in a better way. And for more such videos on Python, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.